Beef and Swine. Take one. Yeah.
How's it going, everybody? I'm Ryan Cain with Damn Fine Beef and Swine and Royal Oak Charcoal. I'm sure by now you've heard of the viral smash tacos. Well, we're gonna make them barbecue today, so let me show you how we do this. I have some ground chicken that I've seasoned up with some Meat Rushmore AP, some Man Meat Homestyle, and some Smokin' Magic Rib Rub. And we've gone ahead and seasoned that up in our ground chicken along with some green onions. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a flour tortilla, not the big ones, not the little street taco ones. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna smash these into these tortillas nice and thin. We're gonna grill them off. We're gonna add a salad mix into the middle of the taco. And then boom, you've got dinner in about 10 minutes. Spread it around like you're spreading pizza sauce on a pizza. That quite literally is all you're gonna do. And then you're gonna add a little bit more of your seasoning. This is your chance to add a little bit more flavor since these are gonna grill off in about 2 minutes. Thinner is better with these. And then you're just gonna take your smashed taco, set them over there. You can add an extra piece of foil or parchment paper to keep them separated, but you can make these ahead of time, keep them in the fridge. Today we're gonna actually do two versions. So I've got my ground chicken version that we're gonna do a chicken Caesar salad taco. And then I've also got a ground pork version, Prairie Fresh, that we're going to use as kind of an Asian slaw, kind of that inspired taco. So we'll take one of those and do one of those to show you there too. So clean spatula, no cross-contamination. Take your ground pork, which is seasoned kind of the same way. I've added a little bit more of the rib rub and the AP to this one to kind of enhance that color. I've also added some of the Bachan's Japanese barbecue sauce just to kind of start that up. We're gonna add some more of that in the end, but this just kind of kicks it off and gets it going. So you're just adding these in there, smashing them, moving them around. The thinner the better, sometimes a little bit harder. The chicken seems to move on there a little bit easier, but these aren't too bad. So there's that one ready to go. Add a little bit more of the Meat Rushmore AP for that good color. Set that one aside, keep them separate, keep your chicken and your pork separate. But yeah, once we get all 20 of these put together, we'll be ready to go ahead and grill them off. All right, here we are, we're outside. It is hot, but you know what's even hotter? Royal Oak Charcoal. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and grill these off. We've got the Hurtado smoke box rolling at 300. We're gonna pop that bad boy open. Give her a little bit of spritz of this Wagyu spray just to keep her nice and moist. And then this is about as simple as it gets. We're really just gonna kind of plop these down, meat side down. So that's one of our pork tacos. We're just gonna set it on there. I went ahead and separated all these layers just to keep them from kind of sticking together and then any cross-contamination just by putting an extra piece of foil. You could use parchment paper, whatever you got. But really what it is because these are so nice and thin, if you get a little shot of that, these are gonna cook nice and quick. So at this temperature, about 300 degrees, I'm gonna imagine it's probably gonna be about 5 minutes. And then we're gonna take them off once we get through all of the meat sides. And we're gonna go back and do it again, but on the tortilla side to crisp those tortillas up nice and quick. So here we go, we've got a full smoke box right here. I'm just gonna leave this open, let the heat kind of get to it, because this is more of a grilling thing than it is a low and slow smoke. All right, welcome back. We just got done grilling our chicken and our pork smash tacos. I'm joined by my lovely wife, Kim, or as most people know her, Harper's mom. So we'll go ahead and start with our grilled chicken taco. What we're gonna do with this is we're making the grilled chicken ultimate Caesar salad tacos. So we've got a bag of the Caesar salad mix that we went ahead and just add all the ingredients into the bag, shook it up. One less thing to get dirty. So we'll take our taco, go ahead and load that bad boy up. It's got a handful of your salad mix, as much or as little as you want. Some extra dressing, if you've got it, goes a long way. I'm a big fan of dipping these. A little bit of the croutons, some of that Parmesan cheese, and then I'm gonna shove it in your face. Open up. So you get that crunch. It feels healthy like you're eating salad, but we all know you're eating grilled meats, which is why we're all here today. So that's that one. That's phenomenal. And the other one is the Asian pork taco. So with this one, we did a sesame Asian slaw salad. We're gonna start this off by adding some of our Asian slaw that's got some of that sesame dressing in there. So this one I'm gonna add a little bit less than we would with the Caesar salad mix because we've got some extra things to put into it. So I sliced up some really thin carrot because I like a little bit of crunch with anything. I think that just kind of makes this better. Some freshly sliced cucumber. A little bit of green onion. Normally you would use peanuts. I had cashews, so we're gonna use some cashews, but just more crunch. Top it off with a little bit of everything bagel seasoning. You can just use sesame seeds if you want to, but this has a little bit of that dried garlic in there, which I think is just going to kind of help a little bit. And then we've got the Bachan's Japanese barbecue sauce, the yuzu citrus, so a little bit of that that twang, just hit that up on top, and that's ready to go. I think I'll feed myself. Thank you. Highly recommended. Not the easiest thing to talk through, but I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day, everybody. Okay. Welcome back. Right now, I was chewing a cucumber and spit some of it back up. Okay.
Are you ready?
Never.